smoking before.
So we're doing Friday morning, picking up, cleaning the base.
Empty.
Empty. Everyone's so
Line up
excited.
already.
Everyone's so excited about picking up trash. Now we're lining up. We're lining up to go pick up trash. Now we're gonna clean. Now we're gonna clean. It's a video!
We're about that guy.
Let me see your bag. State your name, date of birth, and what are you doing today?
No.
And your social.
And your social. And
Timmy
your,
Thompson from
your
the
checking
Thompson
account,
tribe.
routing number.
And Kick Rocks.
We're all gonna
Missed something.
clean this base here. I'm gonna search for some trash.
Cigarette butt, get it.
Right.
Right there in front of your face. There you go. You're gonna run out of memory.
We gotta get this. We gotta get that. Yeah. Put it there right there in the trash bag. Boom. And that's what I'm doing today. Bye.